When 75% of a number is added to 75, the result is the number again. The number is. Now in such questions, you have to form a equation by reading the data. Let's assume the number as x. So 75% of a number. So equation becomes 75% of x is added. So plus to 75. So plus 75. The result is the number again. So is equal to x. So now let's simplify this. 75% of x. That means 75 upon 100 of x plus 75 is equal to x. So this becomes 3 by 4. If we bring 3x upon 4 on the right hand side, it gets subtracted and hence we get 75 is equal to x upon 4. So therefore, x will be 75 into 4, that is 300.